We all want what's best for our kids, don't we? Then why compromise for preschool education? During this pandemic, the best online preschool that connects you perfect. Strawberry Preschool. It combines practical learning along with virtual guidance sessions. Hi, I am Mrs. Roshni, the counselor head of Strawberry Preschool. So today I am going to talk about how to make children sit for the online classes, as this is the most challenging thing for our parents to make such a small kids to sit for the online classes. So today I am going to tell you some do's and don'ts that will definitely help you out and have a fun in online virtual classes. So the first point I am going to talk about is that as a parent, it is our job to make the online classes more fun for the children. See, children get very easily distracted. Because they are too small, they can't sit at one place for so long. So, as a parent, you have to make them sit with them, enjoy the rhymes and enjoy the songs what the teacher is teaching. Make most of it with the kids. Talk to them and talk. बार बार उनसे वही बात कीजिए जो उनकी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. इससे क्या होगा, बच्चे और इंटरेस्ट के साथ वो ऑनलाइन क्लास में बैठेंगे. The next thing to remember is to have a designated place for the online class. As such, आपके घर में एक कॉर्नर बना लीजिए जहाँ पे बच्चे रोज बैठ के पढ़ाई करें. Don't change their place now and then. If possible, make a room for study that is for least distraction. जहाँ पे उन्हें कोई डिस्टर्ब ना कर सके. See, this online class is just for about 40 to 45 minutes and that you have to give them a designated place so that they can enjoy and they can be prepared for the online classes. Now the third point is involve your children in preparing for the session. Remember जब हम स्कूल जाया करते थे तभी कैसे होता था? Pack your bags, take your water bottle, say goodbye to everyone. ये सब rituals follow करके हमने schooling किया. But because of this online, say at least give them some time to prepare their class. Say before 10 minutes आप बच्चों को बता सकते हो कि prepare with your books, pencils, erasers and of course a water bottle with them in their designated place so that they can have a feel of a school. Another thing you can do is that give them short breaks. Of course, जब भी ये 40 to 45 minutes की क्लास के लिए बैठते हैं, give them a little break if needed, because this break can make them sit more for 10 to 15 minutes. So encourage them and give them breaks, okay? And then of course, praise your child. हर किसी को appreciation बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो बच्चे तो बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं अगर आप उन्हें praise करोगे, appreciate करोगे. जितनी भी देर वो बैठ रहे हैं, just praise them. This will motivate them to sit for more classes and have fun. And the next point is empathize with your children when they show disinterest in the online classes. कभी कभी होता ये है कि बच्चे बोलते हैं कि we are not interested in the class और we are feeling bored, मैंने नहीं अटेंड करना है, मैं नहीं बैठूंगा, मैं नहीं बैठूंगी. So just don't shout at them. आप उनके ऊपर बिल्कुल नहीं चिल्लाएंगे. आप उन्हें प्यार से समझाइए. बिल्कुल भी डांट के नहीं बोलना है no you have to sit for the class. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. You can empathize. आप उन्हें बताइए कि हाँ आप समझ सकते हो how difficult it is for sitting online classes, but then explain them कि उनको online classes करने ही है because we have to learn virtually. And most important, don't forget to empathize the teacher's aspect as well. See, these online classes are very new to us, for us, children and teachers as well. और उन्हें as such कोई भी ट्रेनिंग नहीं दी जाती है for online classes. So just empathize for teachers also. Give them positive constructive feedback so that they can understand कि आपके बच्चों को क्या अच्छा लगता है, so they can make the interesting sessions for the children to make them more fun and enjoyable, and they can sit for longer period. And now let's talk more about don'ts that you have to remember to make them sit for the online classes. And the one is, do not compare your children with other children. See, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि बाकी के बच्चे बैठते हैं ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए and they enjoy, and yours is not sitting. It's completely normal. Make them more power packed, make them more energetic, and it's in your hands how to make them fun classes. The second don't is, कभी भी बच्चों को ऑनलाइन क्लास में बिठाने से पहले उनको हंग्री नहीं होने चाहिए एंड नींद में बिल्कुल नहीं होने चाहिए. Please make a note of it that your online class timings are not their sleeping time or they are not hungry. When kids are hungry or sleepy, they are least interested for sitting in the online class, and this won't work it. So just make sure that your child is not hungry and not sleepy. And next is the very most important. Don't bribe your child at all. देखो, ऐसे कभी कभी होता है कि आप बच्चों से कहते हैं अगर आप क्लास के लिए बैठोगे then I will give you a chocolate, or maybe you will fulfill their demand. See, this doesn't works in a long run and later on you have to suffer for it. और कभी कभी तो वो demanding हो जाते हैं, वो खुद ही demand करते हैं that if you want us to sit for the class, you have to give this, and they just make their demands. So don't bribe your children. Just encourage them. हाँ, appreciate करो, encourage करो, that's okay. But don't ever bribe them, because this is not going to work for a longer time. And the last one is, don't push your child for the online class. Chalo, बैठो, sit down, your online class has started. Just don't do that and don't stress out. Just encourage them, be with them. आपको उनके साथ बैठना है, enjoy करना है और उनके level तक enjoy करना है, so that they also understand and have fun in the class. That won't make you stressed out. And at last, I would like to say that go slow, take it slow with a positive attitude. I hope this helps you, and definitely children will follow you and have fun in their online classes. For more queries or solutions to your queries regarding kids and preschooling, do contact us. We would be happy to help you. Till then, happy schooling, be safe, stay at home. Thank you so much.